Okay, folks, it's the Data Driven Decision Making Plan Project presentation. The Remedial Reading Focus Group. Mind the Gap. Here we go. So, have you heard of the Gap? No, not that Gap, although they do make fantastic khaki pants. I'm talking about the Achievement Gap. The Achievement Gap is when members of a certain subgroup or demographic fall behind their same-aged peers of the majority group. Examples of groups that are marginalized by the achievement gap are African Americans, Hispanics, lower income students, students with disabilities, and students with limited English proficiency. And I want to help all of the children in the entire world manage the achievement gap and make it smaller. But I need to focus. So let's start with the numbers in Maryland. This chart is from the Race to the Top report after year 2 in Maryland. And as you can see, the gap is actually getting slightly larger among all groups: white and black, white and Hispanic, children without disabilities. So there's definitely the existence of an achievement gap in the state of Maryland. Looks like we're going to need a binder. First thing we're going to put in that binder is the school data. Let's take a look at the school data for the middle school where I work. As you can see, school progress was not met in any category. And in all grades, grades 6, 7, and 8, minority students, black, African American, Hispanic, free and reduced meals, limited English proficiency, and special education students lag behind their white and Asian peers at a great rate. And I want to help every single subcategory and demographic make great progress, but I need to focus. So we'll take a look at the assessment data. MSA data, the Maryland School Assessment. MAP-R data, the measurements of academic progress for reading. I can aggregate this data by ethnicity, gender, presence of a disability, and I will find the kids for my reading focus group. Looks like I'm going to need a bigger binder. So after we find the right kids, we need to give them a recipe for success. What these kids need is great teachers. They need academic progress monitoring. They need strategy instruction, remedial academic help, and positive relationships with their teachers and adult staff. So let's put that all into the mixing bowl, and we'll stir it up. Mix it, mix it, mix it. We got to find time to schedule it. We got to find time to collaborate with teachers. You got to start small. You can't save everybody everywhere at the same time. Using data to take on such a large problem as the achievement gap allows you to focus your efforts in one place, garnering better results than a big effort with less success. The closing of the achievement gap starts with one small step.